Eclectic style is all about harmony and the coming together of disparate styles, juxtaposing textures, and contrasting colors to create a cohesive, beautifully realized room that wouldn't be out of place in a home decor, as this is one design style that takes verve and a great eye. And since eclectic interior design is all about experimentation and play, do have fun with the freedom it allows. The word eclecticism is derived from the Greek word eklektikos, which loosely means to choose the best. While the term was often used in philosophy, i.e., picking only the best doctrines from a range of established schools of thoughts to create one's own, the concept transitioned well into architecture in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Rather than sticking to a single architectural movement like Neoclassicism, Gothic Revival, or Byzantine, architects selected elements from a variety of styles to create a brand new look. Eventually, this design philosophy transferred inside to the world of decor. But if the thought of pulling together a brilliant mix of eclectic style furnishings with a confident hand seems daunting, we've compiled a handy guide with advice. We suggest you choose one neutral hue and one accent color to get started. Using a calming neutral throughout will allow for a smart base color to layer over, and prevent the room from feeling a tad too overbearing. That neutral will work wonders alongside your chosen accent color, especially when applied to different aspects of a room to create a harmonious space instead of a mismatched and erratic one. As you go along, add to and expand your core eclectic style palette by starting off with two classic tones for a studied yet nuanced take on eclectic home decor. When charting your route to perfecting eclectic style decor, it's best to keep your walls simple and straightforward. Elaborate wallpapers can make it difficult to bring in other patterned elements without coming off as heavy-handed. Simple painted walls will create a solid foundation to bring in eclectic decor and add interest elsewhere. Adding vibrant accessories to a plain backdrop is far easier than adding plain accessories to a busy backdrop. You'll have far more alternatives. This is where the personality starts to come through, and you get to be more daring when creating an eclectic interior design vibe, as you can play with expressive patterns and mix and match styles to see what fits together and what doesn't. Continue using similar tones and colors throughout your eclectic decor scheme while keeping in mind your two core tones. However, do disrupt the space with unexpected combinations of patterns that don't necessarily go together. Pair items together that usually oppose one another and be bold with it. Don't shy away from clashing patterns and color, as they'll help you create a one-of-a-kind feel. The same goes for texture. Have fun with textural plays and bring in different textures to make your eclectic home decor sing. Contrast textures against one another for a memorable eclectic feel in your home. You want there to be enough going on visually in your space to keep the eye interested. A smart way to do this without being overt is to introduce different textures throughout the room in small doses. There is no more perfectly styled space to include a gallery wall in than in an eclectic style living room. A gallery wall allows you to create distinctive focal points. Having something to focus on and concentrate on in a room boasting a riotous mix allows the eye to move about, which is great for the heavy feel an eclectic style room can evoke. Choose different frame styles to complement the pieces of art you're putting in them. Mixing and matching different furniture design styles is another fun and clever way to master beautifully realized eclectic living room decor, eclectic bedroom decor, and eclectic house decor in general, as there's no room a joyous assortment of goods won't accentuate. In essence, this is what eclectic style decor is all about, mixing the old, the new, the modern, and the classic. Whatever your statement object is and however it is making that statement, it needs to be bold. That being said, you don't want too many statements in one room. Depending on the size of your room, one statement piece or maybe two, if it's a large room, will be more than enough to get people talking. Do use caution, as it can be easy to let eclectic design flow into a messy, cluttered, and overly busy room. Everything must have a place in the room and each piece should have a point to it. Allow items and accessories to speak for themselves without burdening your space and surfaces, and make sure important items don't get lost in surrounding decor. Eclectic interior design is all about presenting your personality in a room. Don't give yourself too many boundaries for your eclectic style house. Free yourself from the hard and tired rules associated with traditional interior design. Allow your imagination to run free and have fun with experimentation.